Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be working on this 1970s horse tiller. It's making a noise when it's tipped forward. It rattles up in the front here. I'm not sure what's causing it, so I'm going to have to take part of this front end apart. Let me show you real quick what I'm dealing with. I believe I have to take these bolts up here out and these bolts here to get this cover off the front here. I'm going to shut the gas off to this tank in case we have to unhook this line. Alright, I think I gotta separate this from this cover to get it off. So I'm gonna take these bolts out front here. Now I can lift this tank out and get those bolts off back here. There we go. So I got the tank up here. I want to get something to set this on so I don't have to unhook it all the way. There we go. Alright. So these wires here, they're in this little clip, so I'm going to undo this. There, now this should come off. Alright. So that's what it looks like inside there. Don't see anything really in this that's a problem. While we're in here, I'm going to go ahead and blow all these fins out just because they got some buildup. I do not see anything loose. I do see where it's rubbing a little bit here on this pull start. That may be what's causing my noise. This ring here, rubbing on that. I'm not sure what I can do about that, but I'm going to blow this out real good and then see if there's something I can do. Alright, on further inspection of this, I noticed that these, the bottom of these screws are shiny. And I noticed these are, this area here is raised. I noticed on these fins right here, I don't know if you can see, but they're shiny. So this has been rubbing on these screws. So what's probably happened is the tiller got shoved against something right here, and that shoved these legs back, pushing that cover this direction, which makes it, this has a little bit of play, just a tiny bit of play right here. So when you tilt this tiller forward, this comes forward just enough that it rubs on these. So what I'm gonna do is pound those back in a little bit so they're not so close to this flywheel here. I think that's going to take care of it. It was, like I said, it was just barely rubbing when you tip the tiller forward, and it was annoying, and it just sounded like there was something majorly wrong. So we're going to get this back together and see if we got her fixed. bolts are a little tricky to get in. You have to get them in at an angle. If they slip out. That should not be that difficult. Oh boy, got ahead of myself. I gotta get this bolt in here on the side or it's not gonna fit. This has to go in before I get too far ahead. And then we also have to start screwing these in to get the tank down where it belongs on the cover. So these heads literally hold this tank up in the air. All right, I think we got that taken care of. Let's get it started up and see if it's still making that noise. Well guys, I guess that was the issue. I know this probably isn't something that comes up very often, but I thought if I was gonna be fixing it, I might as well share it with y'all today. So appreciate y'all, and until next time, good luck with all your projects.